Hello friends, Running Kimono here. It is July the 10th and we're looking at some curbside deals over at Walgreens. And I don't know, there might be some smoke and flames coming off of this video because the deals are pretty hot. To explain what curbside is for all the new shoppers out there, you're going to order this through a desktop computer, cell phone, or tablet. Hit the blue button on the left hand side, make sure that all these items are in stock, but put an online order together, drive to the store and pick it up curbside, or you can go in store at the photo counter and say, "Hi, my name is Mary Smith," and then pick up your order. Now, if some of these items are not in stock and it's going to just kill the vibe of your haul, or if you're waiting on some Walgreens cash back, you can always cancel or just not pick it up, and within 3 days, they just refund whatever Walgreens cash back to your store card. It's a pretty easy process. Just don't be shy to cancel if they're going to say they have like no items in stock. If you are more of a tactile shopper and you're like, hey, this curbside stuff is great, but I want to go in store and find the deals, I made a video yesterday where I kind of go through a bunch of deals just for the everyday shopper and a $25 basket. And I even found some very cheap candles. So you might want to check out this video. I'll link it at the end. If you could do me a huge kindness, it's me begging and groveling. If you could please give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps me out, helps out the channel, and helps out everybody. If you could take a quick second and like this video, I would be so grateful. So guys, first piece of business I want to talk about are these candles. I know that they were online on Sunday morning, then they vanished, and then they came back, and then I don't know, it took a lunch break. I have no idea. But if you can find them, you can put them in your curbside order. If you can load them for $1.59. In store, they are still ringing up for $21.99. So you'll have to ask a manager for a price modification. And as per the written word on the Walgreens, terms of service and all that stuff on their website, you can get up to one price modified item per day. So make sure to dust that out if they're going to give you a hard time, but it's written in their policy. Okay, friends, let's talk about these curbside deals. For the first one, we're going to grab one of these lovely Persil detergents, the 40 ouncer for $6.49, 3.6 pounds of detergent. This is a great detergent. A lot of people like it more than Tide. I don't even want to say that out loud, but that's the way that it is. We're also going to grab one of these Dawns for the 38 ounces for $5.89, and then a Swiffer for $5.49. You're going to load the following digitals that include the $2 off of the Persil, and it's only for the 40 ouncer or the 15 count, which is kind of weird. It's not the big one, which I thought it would have been. Final two coupons that we're going to load is the $1 off for the Dawn and then the $4 off for the Swiffer. Make sure that all these coupons are also attaching to said products. Looking at your overall basket, it's $17.87. Curbside pickup is free. $7 in digitals melting off right there for a total of $11.94. If you have it, use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.94 and call this a very smart household basket. Okay, so deal number 2. We are going to be grabbing 2 of these number 7. It's called Perfect Intense Advanced Cleansing Water. Usually if your store has a beauty counter, you can track down this stuff, just to note that, but we're going to throw 2 into a basket. The promotion for number 7 this week is buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Final item that we're going to grab is a $3.99 Dawn Easy Squeeze, and we have a digital coupon to go with. We're going to load the following digitals that include the $2 off for the number 7, and then also a 75-cent for the Dawn Easy Squeeze. Obviously, it's a better deal if you can track down 2 in a store because there's a $2 register reward, but you will not get register rewards with a curbside pickup. Looking at the overall basket, it's $13.42. Curbside pickup is free and 94 cents in tax and $2 coming off. It should be $2.75, but I've already used that. So you'll pay about $11.61 and get back $5 in Walgreens cash, not factoring in the tax. It's like $5 for the 3 items, something called Not Too Shabby. Okay, guys, moving it along to deal number 3. For this one, we're going to grab, again, 2 of those cleansers by number 7 for $9.43, 2 Kit Kats for $2.50, and then 1 Swiffer for $5.49. Just kind of augmenting the last 2 baskets if you weren't happy with the last one. And we're going to load the following, which is $1 off 2 for the Kit Kat, and a $2 off for the number 7, and then a $4 off for the Swiffer. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, it's $17.42. Curbside pickup is free, 86 cents in tax, and $7 in hot coupons melting off. So your total is $11.28. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the $1.28 and get your $5 back in Walgreens cash. So, like, not a little bad little deal. It has everything you absolutely love with couponing. Okay, the next deal that we have is deal number 4. And for the fancy ladies that like the L'Oreal Revitalift, I have you covered. I know there's a $2 rebate on IBOTTA, but it excludes the use of digital coupons, so we do not want trouble with IBOTTA today, so we're going to forget that. Putting one of those in a cart for $18.99. Sorry. And then we're going to throw in Mr. Swiffer Duster Kit. And if you can't find him, maybe put in one of the Dawn dish soaps, just make it an alternative deal, whatever you wish. And looking at our digital coupons for the L'Oreal, we have this $10 off of one. And then for Mr. Swiffer, we have a $4 off. So looking at the overall basket, my friends, it's $24.48. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax. We have $14 in digitals melting off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.34 and call this a very good deal. I know it's not a big time moneymaker or anything like that, but if you possibly had a 7 back when you spend 25, that could be something also for you. So just get creative with your basket. I'm just showing this deal that, if you've already blown through all of your boosters, it's just an alternative deal. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at is deal number 5, and the Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand of potato chips, 7.75 ounces. I think that's the same amount that's found in a bag of Lay's. It's $1.95, and it's not only the sour cream and onion. They have different flavors as well, but this is the one that I picked, so please do not come for me if you hate this chip. But I know a lot of you love chips and a lot of you are entertaining for the summer, so that's what we're thinking here with these curbside videos. Throwing 6 of them into your basket, it's $11.70. And you know what I would do, guys? I would definitely use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.70 for 6 bags. If you have teenagers in the house, or if you're entertaining a lot and you have some famous chip dip and you always bust out like 3 bags of chips because you're the best host ever, this is just a cheap way of doing it. In the comments down below, if you want to share if you like the Walgreens brand chips. I know a lot of you are like, Ruffles or Lay's, like, is this alternative brand any good? It's probably made in one of the factories, guys. Let's be honest, it's Walgreens. So if you could share in the comments down below. I haven't had these chips, I don't think, ever, but I'm pretty sure it's comparable to other kinds of chips. But if you were trying to stock up on the cheap, this might be the deal for you. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.